Deposited many millions of years ago, borax is a crystallized salt with a wide range of industrial and commercial uses. Rio Tinto produces around half the global demand from the Mojave Desert of California. But there's also a significant borax operation at Tinkalaju in Argentina.
The
size of the pit is about 800 meters north to south, 600 meters east to west, and about 100 meters deep. This is the second largest pit in Argentina. Apart from Tinkalaju, there is another mine in the region belonging to borax, and it's also an open pit mine. It's located in Sijes, and there we mine hydroprosita, which is a calcium and magnesium borate. It's different to the Tincal we mine here in Tinkalaju, which is a sodium borate.
When the operations started, the mineral was brought down and concentrated directly at Campo Quijano. Later, a concentration plant was set up at Tinkalaju. We currently use a wet process to work the Tincal, and we conclude the refining at Campo Quijano. At the end of this year, we expect to establish a similar plant to the one at Siques, which uses the dry method. It's a magnetic concentration process. This plant has long been a dream of Borax Argentina, because it allows us to use all of the mineral. The high content part is used in the ovens, and the lower content part at the boric acid plant. The environmental impact caused by the handling of all the process drainage and waters is fully monitored, with evaporation ponds and solids ponds.
When
borax employs people from the community, it trains them to Rio-Tintos standards. The observance of all these standards improves their welfare, and that's why the community wants to work for borax.
I think all of Borax, as well as, of course, the local people in Borax Argentina, are particularly proud of their investment in the local community. They've been able to make a big difference to the quality of education that the local children are receiving, and through just small investments with the local hospital.
Once we had the project, we spoke to the mayor of the town and asked for assistance and cooperation. We also spoke to the government and Borax Argentina. The government and the municipality of Campo Quijano carried out the work, and the primary school was inaugurated 2 years ago. Based on this success, we started to build a secondary school, which will be inaugurated in October. The issue of health is also important to Borax. It's one of those areas, alongside education, that the community program deals with most. One aspect of health is nutrition. That's why we have nutritionists working in the community.
This is a contribution by Borax to the community in which it's working. It provides nutritional support, which involves monitoring children who have eating disorders. I was once hired to work at the hospital. We provided services for the community relating mainly to nutrition, and from there we created an association with this dining room. We tried to set up networks so the resources will be properly used at the hospital and also in the dining room. We've also tried to do the same thing in every area where something can be done to help the community.
Borax Argentina is and will remain the second most important location for mining borax. We expect to continue to invest in it and to invest in the surrounding community, because it is going to be so critical to the growth and market entry plans of borax worldwide.